In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up typography using Figma plugins. First, open the Figma website in your browser and head into the file or page you want to work on. Make sure you're looking at the frame or text layers you'll be adjusting. From here, we're going to use the Actions menu to quickly find and run plugins that make font selection and style setup much faster. Open Actions. If you prefer shortcuts, you can open the Quick Actions search with a single command, but clicking Actions works perfectly too. In the Actions window, go to Plugins, then type Font Preview. When you see Font Preview in the results, click it and click Run. This plugin lets you scroll through fonts and audition them on your text without repeatedly opening the default font drop-down. If you already have a text layer selected, you'll see changes in context, which helps you compare options more confidently. If you're prompted to install before running, go ahead and confirm, then run it. While previewing, pay attention to readability, weight variety, and how your chosen font fits your layout. When you're done, close the plugin to return to the canvas. Now, open Actions and Plugins again, and this time search for Better Font Picker. Click it, then click Run. Better Font Picker gives you a cleaner, faster way to browse fonts, often with live previews right in the list. This makes it easier to scan options and land on a direction quickly. Use it to filter, compare, and apply fonts across selected text layers. If your fonts aren't appearing as expected, double-check your spelling in the search field or clear filters to reveal the full list. You can also search for Text Styles Generator from Actions and run it. This tool helps you generate consistent text styles based on the fonts and sizes you're already using. It's especially helpful when you want to lock in headings, subheadings, body copy, and captions quickly. Once generated, your styles will be easy to apply across your file, keeping everything consistent as you iterate. Feel free to explore other plugins using the same Actions and Plugins flow. Searching directly from Actions is the quickest way to discover tools that speed up typography, whether you're testing fonts, organizing styles, or applying changes across multiple layers. That's it. Open your file, use Actions to find Font Preview, run it, then do the same for Better Font Picker, and consider Text Styles Generator to formalize your choices. With these plugins, you'll save time, keep your typography consistent, and make better decisions faster.